This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing Kleopatra, then create your open PGP key pair right away. Choose a real name and email and set a strong passphrase. This protects your private key. Once done, export a revocation certificate and save it offline because revoking later avoids account lockouts. Make sure to back up the private key to an encrypted location or USB drive so you can recover it. These steps give you working keys and safety measures before you ever encrypt a message. Now exchange and verify keys. Export your public key and send the ask file or upload to a key server. You then import the recipient's public key into Kleopatra and verify the fingerprint either in person or over a trusted channel. Once verified, set the appropriate owner trust so GNU PG knows how much to trust signatures. You can also sign a key to assert its authenticity. Make sure you only sign keys you actually vetted, because signatures delegate trust within the web of trust. To finish, encrypt a file or email by selecting Encrypt, choose one or more recipient keys, and optionally sign to prove it came from you. The recipient decrypts with their private key, and Kleopatra displays signature verification results so you can confirm authenticity. Make sure to regularly export updated public keys and keep private backups. If something goes wrong, check that you imported the correct key, confirm the fingerprint, and restore from your encrypted private key backup, or use the revocation certificate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.